variable blur in Apple Motion. You can find the variable blur here on the filters, blur, and variable blur. If you have seen the circle blur, so the variable blur is almost the same, but this one, you can make the outside or the surrounding area blur and one area focus, or you can make one focus area blurred while the surrounding area is not blurred. Let's look at the parameters. We have the center, controls the the X and Y. Amount is the total amount of the blur. So inner radius and outer radius. Okay, so inner radius, let's reset first everything. So let's increase first the amount. So inner radius, this will create a circular blur, surrounding area blurred, then one focus area. If you increase the amount of inner radius more than the outer radius, you will have the opposite. So this variable blur is much more flexible than the circular blur because you can create a much more dynamic type of blur.